Hi there, this is me, Alexander, and with you, Korea-GPS.ru, the Center of Korean Head Units and Korean Navigation System Upgrading. Our goal is to help in the adaptation of various systems installed in Korean cars for the Korean domestic markets. In this video, I will show you how to work in the field of language change, installing a personal menu with navigation software and any maps of the world for Korean systems. Okay. Using our menu, you will get a stylish adapted interface with the ability to view video, watch photo, listen to audio, use navigation programs, and use other useful programs and games. And most importantly, the installation of this menu is very simple and does not require special skills, and it's very safe. Okay, what do we have? We have a stylish, recognizable interface, similar to the famous smartphone model. From application we see such as music. You can listen to the music on USB removable medium. You can watch video or show it to your children's pressing by this button. Okay, I will show you how to do play. Okay. Next, you can you can use a photo album here. You can choose your photos from this source or this source. You can use a calculator, speedometer, which displays the speed of your car through GPS. Hear it. And also we see the presence of scrolling when moving to the next page. On this page we see the availability of application for translating the language. This is it. It have exit. This is it. It have many languages: Germany, Russian, and else languages. Reading PDF books or documents in Word format, like this. Also, if you want to play games by yourself or you have a children's, then the menu has a few games that you can play. You should press on this button and choose a game which you need to play. Okay. When you need exclude HTML clicks on the screen, you can switch on the screen lock, like this. You should slide to unlock. If you want the screen not shine during a night trip, you can turn it off by pressing the shoot down button. This button is shoot down button. Okay, I want to demonstrate you a navigation program. You should press on this button, and navigation program is open. If you want to choose your destination or you want to find any place, you should press on this button and find your address. In the list you can see maps. Now is loaded to SD card is Chile and Russia. If you want to download any other maps, you should tell it for me by email or other way. You should choose your city. Okay. Santiago, maybe. You should choose your street. Okay. And you will see your other address on the screen. It's okay. Also, the navigation program has an accessible and intuitive interface and contains voice guidance in many languages: English, Spanish, German, and others. Point of interest will indicate the necessary infrastructure objects and will show cameras, speed control in your city. You can order our menu or on our website career-gps.ru by clicking the "Want to upgrade" button, or use the geosite question on or write to us by email career-gps@yandex.ru. Yeah, it's okay. Believe me, using our interface is much better and cheaper than buying a new head unit. Thank you for watching our video review. If you like our video and thinks what we do, put your favorite by clicking on like button and subscribe to our channel. There will be a lot of interesting videos and useful things. If you want to know some useful things, leave comments for the video. Bye, our dear customer.